Hello, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create your Facebook page and make it ad policy compliant. When you are talking of running ad, your first step is to create your Facebook page. Your Facebook page and your Instagram page is very important because it represents your office or your shop as far as Facebook and Instagram is concerned. So, in order for you to start running ad, you must create your Facebook page first. And in creating your Facebook page, you log into your Facebook account and you are going to click on this plus icon and you go down and hit page. Then this is where you are going to give the name of your page, and the name of your page can be your own name. Take for instance, I am Timothy Omatule. This is my name, or I use the name of my company. If you have a company that is registered, whether it is registered or not, you can use your company name here. Let's say I use Actim Consult, or I use Actim Project Limited. Okay, so take for instance, this is the name of my business, and the category I will type construction company, then real estate. I'll add real estate. If you are into e-commerce, you type e-commerce and so on and so forth. Then you are going to describe it here: building, construction, and real estate management. All right, so here it is here, and you hit create page. And once you hit create page, the page will be created, and you can see Actim Project Limited was created. Now you can add images to your page to add more details. All right, to see the new page you have just created, now you are going to go to your home page. You click on home. When you are logging, then you look towards the left, you see pages, then you click on the drop down. See, this is the one I've just created, and here it is. So you are going to add your cover photo. You click on edit and add your cover photo. Make sure you don't leave it empty, so that Facebook will look at you as a serious business. Because if you leave it empty, that is one of the things that can lead to your ad account ban. So you have to make sure you upload your cover page, and here you are going to upload your logo. Whether you have logo or you upload your image, at least upload something here. Don't leave it empty. Then you are going to invite your friends to like the page, and you are going to go down to the setting. Let's say edit page info. This edit page info, okay, so You are going to add your phone number here. Make sure don't leave it empty, because if you leave it empty, it can lead to your ad account ban. Then enter your email here, enter your website. Let's say acting www.actingproject.com. Okay, maybe this is your website and your address, everything. Fill everything here, and once you are done, you hit save. You are done, you hit save. Make sure you fill everything, so that, because when you are running ad, Facebook staffs will visit your page, and when they see that there is no serious thing going on in the page does not look like a serious business, they will disable that account. So in order to avoid your page being disabled, make sure you add all these necessary details. All right, so I hope you understand everything. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.